Water is all around us. The water we drink and use every day begins in nature, but it doesn't stay that way. Over time, the same water is harvested, collected, and treated, then funneled to restaurant kitchens, businesses, and even our own sinks. From our first cup of coffee to our final sips before bed, water is intertwined with our daily lives. It's constantly moving, and like running a business, it never stops. Since water flows through every aspect of your organization, any unexpected issue, whether it's an equipment malfunction or customer complaint, can disrupt this flow. That stops us from moving forward. To keep your business operations and customer experiences running smoothly, premium, hassle-free water is essential. KineticoPRO's Total Water Care Solutions maintain the integrity of your water treatment solutions, helping you uphold recipe compliance, protect your equipment, create efficiencies, and ensure a smooth customer experience every time. We start with a comprehensive water analysis. Our KineticoPRO team checks and analyzes your water, prescribing the optimal mix of softening, filtration, and reverse osmosis systems for your location and its needs. We then install, calibrate, and monitor your equipment over time through our preventative maintenance programs and national service coverage. KineticoPRO's Total Water Care is a simple process that generates multi-layered benefits for your organization. Because we know that high-quality water delivers more than just better-tasting beverages. It provides peace of mind, relief from operational hiccups, and confidence in your organization. From rushing waterfalls to downtown cafes, with KineticoPRO's Total Water Care systems, you can keep your business moving in its desired direction, forward. KineticoPRO, tastefully crafted innovation.